The 10-10 treatment is the ultimate Trinity Plus routine, designed to do it all. Using all 3 attachments, it smooths fine lines and wrinkles, sculpts the jawline and cheeks, lifts the brows, and precisely targets the eyes and lips. By combining microcurrent with LED red light therapy, this treatment works beneath and at the surface of the skin for comprehensive, visible results. To get started, select an oil-free cleanser or use NuFace Prep and Glow Facial Towelette. Once you've prepped the skin, power on your Trinity Plus device with your LED red light wrinkle reducer attachment. This attachment smooths fine lines and wrinkles. Think of this as your warm-up. There are 7 treatment areas in total: temple, cheek, and nasolabial fold on the right and left side of the face, and finally the forehead. I love that our attachment is designed to hug the contours of the face. It also sits directly on the skin to allow for optimal penetration of the red, amber, and infrared lights. When you are done with your red light treatment, simply swap out your head to add the facial trainer attachment. Now let's get ready to work the facial muscles with microcurrent. Once your skin is prepped, apply a mask-like layer of your NuFace activator using the NuFace applicator brush in sections as you treat. This is your non-negotiable. Think of this as a serum. It has skin-loving ingredients to both hydrate the skin and activate the microcurrent to carry it down to the muscle. Let's start with your neck. This is a great way to counteract tech neck. Power on your device. The Trinity Plus have 3 different levels of intensity. I'm going to start at the highest level. Choose the level that is most comfortable to you. Place the spheres vertically on the skin, just above the collarbone, slowly gliding towards the back of the neck. Take 1 step up and slowly glide towards the back of the neck. Then 1 more step up, right under that jawline, slowly gliding toward the back of the neck. We're going to repeat this sequence 2 more times. When you are doing this treatment, go slow. Make sure both spheres are on the skin at the same time. Each glide should be 1 beat. Really take your time with this treatment. Allow that microcurrent to go into the skin and muscles to lift, tone, and contour. Now let's lift the cheek. Apply your activator. As you are treating this area, you will notice a more defined jawline and contoured cheeks. Place the spheres vertically on the jawline, gliding from the nasolabial fold back to the lobe of the ear. Take 1 step up, gliding toward the middle of the ear, and take 1 more step up, gliding to the top of the ear. Now repeat this sequence 2 more times. Remember, each glide should be slow. Listen for that beep and take your time. Check out your cheek. What immediate results do you see? Now let's focus on the brows and forehead. Start at the inner thick of the brow, slowly gliding up to the hairline. Move 1 step over to the arch of the brow, slowly gliding to the hairline. Taking 1 more step over to the tail of the brow, gliding up to the hairline. Glide until you hear the beep. Now repeat this sequence 2 more times. Follow these same steps on the other side. Now we will remove our facial trainer attachment and add the effective eye and lip attachment. This is our detailing tool, bringing precision lifting to the more delicate areas of the eyes and lips. Once you've applied a mask-like layer of the activator, place the wands on the upper lip just off-center from the midline, lifting and holding for 1 beat. Now place the wands towards the outer corner of the mouth and lift and hold for 1 beat. Place the wands under the lower lip, hold for 1 beat. Now adjust to the outer corner of the mouth and hold for 1 beat. Place the wands on the smile lines, lifting and holding for 1 beat, and adjusting down by the outer corner of the mouth, lifting and holding for 1 beat. Look at that pout. Now let's focus on the eye. Put a mask-like layer under your eye and in the brow area. Treating under your eye, hold your device horizontally, placing the wands at the outer corner of your eye, just above the orbital rim, gliding towards the inner corner of the eye until you hear that beep. Taking 1 step up, gliding from the outer corner into the inner corner, and 1 more step from the outer corner to the inner corner of the lash line. Now we're going to repeat this sequence 2 more times. The pressure should be extremely light. Treating above the eye, hold your device wands horizontally, placing the wands at the outer corner of the eye, slowly gliding along the brow bone towards the inner corner of the eye until you hear the beep. Take 1 step up, gliding from the outer corner to the inner corner along the brow bone. We're going to repeat this sequence 2 more times. Make sure your touch and pressure is very light. Gently glide from the outer corner to the inner corner of the eye. Let's lift the eyebrow. Lifting at the thick of the brow, lift and hold for 1 beat. Moving to the arch of the brow, lift up and hold for 1 beat. And then the tail of the brow, lifting and holding for 1 beat, opening up the entire eye area. And that is the 1010 Trinity Plus Complete Treatment. Check out your results and compare the treated side to the untreated side. Do this full treatment regularly or focus on specific areas when you have less time. That's the best part. Customize your treatment for features that you want to highlight in the time that you have.